Tonight I have the honor of introducing all new models of two iconic Chevrolets, both of which will celebrate big birthdays in 2020. The Tahoe marks its 25th anniversary next year, and if 25 years is incredible, how about 85 years? That's how long the Chevy Suburban has been around. In fact, it's the longest running nameplate in automotive history. I'm proud to introduce the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban.
The team completely redesigned the Tahoe and Suburban, improving every component from the front bow tie to the back, from the tires up to the roof rack. I am confident the result will be the ultimate SUVs, offering the most room for people and cargo, the best driving experience, and features not available from any of our other competitors.
With the all-new Tahoe and Suburban, we have more trim offerings than ever. Here are two more examples of these changing personalities.
On road and off, the all-new Suburban and Tahoe play much bigger, but actually drive much smaller than before. Contributing to the driver's sense of confidence and security is a new seating position and new technologies.
Our all-new interiors are designed to maximize the comfort and versatility that our customers have come to expect from Tahoe and Suburban.
Tahoe and Suburban are also available with up to 30 safety and driver convenience features. In addition, both Tahoe and Suburban will be available with the all-new 3-liter Duramax diesel.
As you know, we have nearly half of the market with Tahoe and Suburban. We are here to win. Chevrolet created the template for the modern SUV in 1935. In doing so, it created the template for winning that we're still following today. These all-new versions will be just as dominant as they were the day they were introduced. The new Tahoe and Suburban have better driving dynamics and offer more technology, amenities, comfort, and room than ever before.